हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नेम अरे वाह जीनियस। दोस्तों वेलकम, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त निशांत कुमार। दोस्तों अगर आप 2023 में डीएफसीसीएल के एस्पेरेंट है, डीएफसीसीएल का फॉर्म फिल करने वाले हैं या उसकी प्रिपरेशन करने वाले हैं, तो आपको कुछ बातें जानकारी होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यू शुड नो ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स। इन पॉइंट्स के बारे में दोस्तों कोई भी डिस्कस नहीं करता, कोई भी यूट्यूब चैनल डिस्कस नहीं करता। मैं आपसे एक रियलिटी चेक शेयर करना चाहता हूं, डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं। यह वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आप सच में इसकी प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं, इसमें सिलेक्शन लेना चाहते हैं, तो आपको इन बातों की जानकारी जरूर होनी चाहिए। इस वीडियो को बिना स्किप किए लास्ट तक आप लोगों को देखना है। दोस्तों कोई भी यूट्यूब चैनल सिर्फ अपना कोर्स बेचते हैं, ये सब इंटरनल न्यूज़, द रियलिटी चेक नोबडी विल टेल यू। मैं कौन हूं बताने वाला, मैं कौन हूं, मैं क्यों आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूं। दोस्तों मेरा नाम है निशांत कुमार। 2018 के रिक्रूटमेंट से मैं सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट हूं डीएफसीसीएल के एम्प्लॉय का। मेरा पोस्टिंग ऑर्डर, मेरा ज्वाइनिंग ऑफर आप देख सकते हैं इस वीडियो में, मैंने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया हुआ है। पोस्टिंग लोकेशन, डीएफसीसीएल कैसे काम करता है, इज इट गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट, सैलरी बेनिफिट्स, अदर बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या है, मैंने सब आपसे शेयर किया हुआ है। लेकिन अगर आप 2023 में सिलेक्शन लेना चाहते हैं, बिफोर अप्लाइंग दिस जॉब, बिफोर अपीयरिंग टू एग्जामिनेशन, ये वीडियो आपको देखना है। दोस्तों इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बातें शेयर करने वाला हूं। दोस्तों पॉइंट नंबर 1, दैट इज मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड। Many of students are appearing for the examination. So after getting selection by CBT1, CBT2, when they face their document verification and medical, they get rejected in medical. So you should know what are the medical standards. So your hard work, your preparation should not go waste. एग्जाम में उतरने से पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए आप जिस कैटेगरी में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, आपका मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड क्या है उस कैटेगरी के तहत। सो फॉर दैट फर्स्ट इज A2 एंड A3। द सिविल, मैकेनिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल कैंडिडेट्स को एग्जीक्यूटिव में A3 स्टैंडर्ड चाहिए। A3 स्टैंडर्ड मीन्स द हाइट शुड बी 6 और 6/9 विद द स्पेक्स की पावर शुड नॉट एक्सीड मोर देन 2.0 डायोप्टर पावर। यू अंडरस्टैंड? You go to the medical shop and get checkup for your eyes, those who are wearing specs. And second is OP and BD, that is equivalent to station master job. उसमें A2 कैटेगरी आपको चाहिए। A2 कैटेगरी मीन्स you should be having 6/6 और 6/9 without specs. A2 मेडिकल क्या होता है, A3 मेडिकल क्या होता है, ऑलरेडी मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, ये वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं। इसी में you should not be color blind फॉर A2 एंड A3। इसमें कुछ और भी कैटेगरीज हैं जैसे एग्जीक्यूटिव फाइनेंस, एग्जीक्यूटिव HR, एग्जीक्यूटिव IT। फॉर देम देर आर नो हार्ड मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स। दे कैन वियर स्पेक्स अप टू 4 पावर, दे कैन बी कलर ब्लाइंड, देयर मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड इज C1। यू अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट? मैं नहीं चाहता दोस्तों आप हार्डवर्क करें, CBT1 क्रैक करें, CBT2 क्रैक करें, देन आपको पता चले कि मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड क्या है। आपको पहले ही पता होना चाहिए मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड। सेकेंड पॉइंट रिगार्डिंग द प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट सोच रहे होंगे यार हमको तो हमारा होम स्टेट मिलेगा। नो, वेयर द DFCCL स्टेशंस आर, देयर ओनली वी विल गेट आवर पोस्टिंग। यू शुड नो द पोस्टिंग लोकेशंस। somebody are from Hyderabad, they are thinking we will get posted in Hyderabad. No, somebody are from Nagpur, they are planning to settle in Nagpur. Will they get posting in nearby location, home posting? We should see the notification. They have listed the number of stations, headquarter. For the candidates having job profile civil, electrical, OP and BD, they can be posted to small stations or small units. Or OP and BD candidates can also be posted to OCC centers. OCC centers looks like this. Next thing, the finance category, the HR category, IT category, they will be posted to the main city, the headquarter. Let me read out for you the headquarters. So headquarter will be Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Nagar, Prayagraj East and West, Tundla, Meerut, Ambala, Kolkata, Noida, Jaipur, Ajmer, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Mumbai, North and South. These will be the place of posting for the HR, finance, IT departments. Civil and electrical can also be posted here, but they can be also posted to the small stations. You remember this fact. The place of posting is very important. If you are planning to shift your home state your home city, you should know that DFCCIL has the station or not. You understand my point? That's the point number 2. And the point number 3, working. Some people are thinking, oh, after getting selection, I will be full jolly. No, you should be working. The job profile, civil, mechanical and S&T people, electrical people, they will be having the field posting. You also have to go to the field. In the field, there will be dust, sun, everything will be there. So, you do not hesitate. You don't feel that there will be office duty 24 hours. No, there will be field duty as well. You should be mentally prepared for the job profile. You should know the job profile of electrical, civil and mechanical. There will be a mixture of office duty and field duty. You should be aware of this point as well. You understand? You don't thinking that you will be working as a babu in office. No, not like that. And then there will be some discipline rules. It's not be like you are coming, the duty time is 8 o'clock and you are coming like 10. It will not work like that. It should be a strict manner, in disciplined manner. We work in a disciplined manner. The DFCCIL norms are very strict to the employees for the working as per as working is concerned. You got my point? So don't think that it's a sarkari job, we will be working like that. No, there are discipline is maintained here. Some working culture is maintained. You have to work according to that culture. Okay, my friends. Need not think that you will be posted in only for the office duty. You might have to go to the station also, yard also, and you have to be a field as well. You can be posted as the field as well, as a field supervisor as well, or the field officer as well. You understand my point? This was the working nature. Yes, for HR, for IT and finance, they will be posted into the head office only. They will be working under shed, working under office, working on a desk. For them, it's a different work culture. For physical work, that engineering cadre work, there can be physical work, that is the field work. You understand my point? Next is, fourth point is bond. What is the bond? After getting selection, you cannot escape like this. There is a agreement bond by the government of India, that is the Ministry of Railway, that minimum 3 years you have to work. Either you have to pay the amount, that is 4 lakh, that given in the norms. So by rules and regulation only you can transfer to another job. The bond will be transferred according to the management that DFCCIL will decide. So you are also bound to do duty. See, in technical jobs, you are subjected with the minimum training. A cost of training is provided to you. Then only you will become a successful employee to the unit DFCCIL. For that purpose, you cannot escape after getting training. So for the minimal, you have to work for the 3 years. These are the main things I should tell. The medical standard you should know, the place of posting you should know, and the working. And fourth is bond. Apart from this, I must tell you, DFCCIL is a great organization to work. It's a government organization, the Ministry of Railway. You will be getting fixed salary, regular salary without any delay, monthly salary without any hesitation. You will be getting 55k or 60k, 50k according to your cadre. Next thing, you will be getting the medical benefits from the government employee as a government employee, and you also will be drawing some leaves according to that set by DFCCIL employees. So for them, that no hesitation. That's a government job. For that, no hesitation. All my point is, you should know all these 4 points before this. Nobody will be talking. Then you should have a strong efforts towards the clearing examination. You understand my points, my dear friends? This is my most important video. I hope this is an informational video that you have seen. Next, you can watch all the medical standard, leave standards and everything. You can watch in my YouTube in the description. And to contact me, I am highly active on my Telegram channel, my Instagram channel, and in comment also I frequently reply. You have any doubt, you please comment your doubts and you can connect with me. I must say best of luck for your preparation, my friends. Thank you very much, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you guys.